Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. Today I'm all about some comfort food. So we're gonna make some delicious oven roasted potatoes. Let's get into the video. So we have some potatoes that we peeled, rinsed, and now we're going to cut them up. We're making some oven roasted potatoes with some vegetables, okay? Just gonna be delicious. So let's go ahead and start cutting these up. So go ahead and cut your potatoes into bite-sized pieces or to your liking. So me, I want some bite-sized pieces. All right, y'all, so I roughly chopped the garlic, okay? And then I have cut up some green peppers and red peppers. Our potatoes has been re-rinsed, okay, since we, chopped them and put them in there. So now we are about to bring the flavor to this beautiful dish, okay? I want the garlic. It's nothing wrong with having a bite-sized chunk of garlic taste with those delicious potatoes and all the fabulous seasonings we're about to add to this dish. And so we're gonna marry everything together. I'm gonna toss it in our pan. So now we got our potatoes in here, right? And I'm gonna use some garlic, onion powder, paprika, Simply Spicy Spice Cajun seasoning. I love it. Avocado oil. Look at this seasoning. When I tell you that I love Simply Spicy Spice Cajun seasoning, this has become a major staple in my kitchen. It's so delicious. Her website will be in the description box below. Check her out, y'all. I forgot to mention that better than bouillon base, okay? Chicken flavor base, okay? You gotta have some of that. And I had some leftover fresh parsley that I let dried up. So add that to the dish because I didn't mention that as well. You know, when you're in the kitchen, you're just cooking, you forget to mention some things that you add as you go. Gotta have some herb de Provence, okay? Another kitchen staple of mine, okay? Gotta have it, y'all. Gotta have it. Now go ahead and add your veggies to the pan, your green pepper, red peppers, if you got yellow pepper, orange peppers, onions, garlic, all that good stuff. Make sure you put it all in the pan. Add you some water, okay? Shy of a cup, just as much to coat the bottom. Because we want this to cook, but also brown up as well and have a nice little texture while it's roasting. But just a little water so it can get going, okay? Not too much water. Not texture, browning, okay? We want a little crust top potatoes. Go ahead and get all this married together, y'all, and stir it very well and mix those seasonings so each of our potatoes is covered and filled with some of those awesome flavors that we added to the dish. So every bite should be flavorful, okay? All right, y'all, oven should have been preheated to 350 degrees. Go ahead and cover it. Everything is ready to go. Put it in the oven and let it cook. Now let's go ahead and get our fried chicken going, baby. We done seasoned our chicken, coated with some flour and cornstarch there. Grease is ready to receive our wings. Yes, Lord. And let's get into it. Oh yes, here we go. Some delicious fried chicken, oven roasted potatoes, and corn on the cob. Oh yes, baby. I had to mute my neighbors was playing music. They was partying. All right, let's dig in and get a taste of these oven roasted potatoes. They're so tender, so delicious and flavorful, y'all. Truly delicious, quick, simple, and amazing. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. As I always say, I love you, stay blessed, and peace out. Check out some more recipes up there somewhere and leave me a comment, share me out, and of course subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed today. Shout out to you all. Later.